guys, welcome back to Jupitercookie's channel. Today I'll be giving tips on how to bleach your own hair at home and how to maintain it after bleaching. I'll be going through 4 processes: before bleaching, when you're applying bleach, after bleaching, and maintenance after bleaching. So for the first process, before bleaching, you should try not to wash your hair 2 days before bleaching so that your hair can have the natural oils, and this natural oil, they can protect your hair and lessen the damage done by the bleach when you're bleaching. So it can kind of protect your hair from the bleach, so you won't get very damaged hair. Secondly, you should apply Vaseline around your head, especially the sides, your forehead and your back before applying the bleach, so that if the bleach accidentally touches the skin around this area, it can lessen the irritation done by the bleach. Thirdly, you should not bleach on permed hair, and you should not perm after bleaching. This is really something you should consider, because bleaching and perming are both doing the same damage to the hair, so it's like double the damage and it can be very dry. I have done it once before. I wasn't sure why did the hairstylist not warn me about this and why he didn't tell me that he can't do it for me, but he got it done in the end. My hair became very dry, it was very rough. I couldn't wash my hair properly, I couldn't shampoo it well, and it was only manageable if I put conditioner so it can be smooth. That's the only time I can go through my hair strands. It's only when I apply conditioner, and drying my hair was really pain in the ass. At that time my hair was really dead and dry, so I really would not recommend you perming after bleaching or bleaching after perming. You're gonna murder your hair. Lastly, I really wish someone had warned me about this before I bleached my hair at home. You gotta prepare your face mask, because when you're mixing the bleach powder with developer, you might be tempted but never smell the bleach. The smell is really strong and it stinks the nose. Even when you're applying it, it's really very strong and it actually causes headache. So prepare your mask, wear your mask, both you and your friend or your mom, whoever who's helping you to apply bleach, both of you need to prepare a mask. Moving on to when you're applying bleach. Firstly, you should section your hair thinly, make it to thin sections. Doing so, you can let the bleach work evenly around your hair so you won't have uneven results. Secondly, you should never start from the roots. Leave at least 1 inch away from the roots and start applying it away from the roots. The reason for this is because with the roots, the bleach develops faster, it works faster because of our body heat, and that's how some people get the results of white roots but still brown ends. It can be really ugly, especially if you are not going for that look. Thirdly, you must do it fast. You must apply the bleach fast. You must apply it fast and evenly, because you would not want the first section of the hair to have gone white and the last section of the hair still be brown, and that's gonna cause uneven hair tone too, and that's definitely not what you want. So apply it fast and away from the roots. Fourthly, you should also never leave it longer than the recommended time, longer than the time written on the instructions, because after a certain amount of time, the bleach will stop lifting your hair. It will stop lifting your hair to a lighter shade, but it will continue damaging your hair, which is not something we are wanting. So if the instruction says 30 minutes, then 30 minutes is how long you're gonna leave it there and wash it away. So moving on to the third process, after applying the bleach onto your head, what should you do? You should wrap and cover your head with foil, aluminium foil, or shower cap, either one of this, to trap the heat within your head, so that the bleach can work better and faster. The bleach works faster with heat. You could also sit under the sun with the foil or the cap wrapped around your head. So maybe within 30 minutes it can lift really bright, because with more heat the bleach works better. So going on to the last step, how to maintain bleached hair. So one tip to prevent damage and frizzy hair after bleaching is to not rub your hair vigorously with the towel after washing your hair with shampoo or conditioner. So instead, what you can do is you can squeeze the water out from your hair with the towel and then wrap your head with the towel to let the towel absorb excess water from the hair. Wrap it for around 10 minutes and then apply the hair oil onto your semi-wet hair. Onto the hair that is not dry but not too wet, apply the hair oil so to regenerate your hair and maintain the softness of your hair. Lastly, if you notice that your hair is very dry after coloring or bleaching, if you notice that your hair is really very dry, what you can do is you can try to maybe only shampoo it once every 2 days. So because shampooing is really dry for your hair because it really washes away the natural oils from your hair. So you can maybe try to only shampoo it once every 2 days to see if it's better. Or if you really think that your hair is dead, you need some treatment, you can go to the salon to get some treatment, keratin treatment, and ask them for recommendations. Or if you are running short of money, and if you are brave enough, especially for guys, just shave your hair, just shave your head. And wait for the new hair to grow. It's not much of a deal. You still have cap. You would want to buy this purple shampoo. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it, but it's quite common. Purple shampoo, what it does is it washes away the warm sheets from your hair, and it keeps your hair looking cool color. It keeps your hair looking platinum blonde, white or silver, because it washes away the yellow shades. Like my hair used to be orange and then it's now much more of a maybe light yellow thanks to the purple shampoo. There are some that you can use every single day, and there are some that you use once a week. You can get recommendations from the hair depots, wherever you can get it, hair salon. Just pick the one that is right for you and you're ready to rock your blonde hair. So thank you for watching it to the end. I really hope you guys find the tips being useful, and I'm actually not a professional, but I got my tips from friends that are hairstylists and also my experience in bleaching hair and my rough experience of my dry green hair. So now I know most of the things that I should do, things that I should not do.